Welcome to a word problem in the chapter of exponential function. Before we start it, we're going to write down two formulas. One is for exponential growth. We're going to add r. One is for exponential decay. We're going to subtract r. What is A? A is initial amount. Since we're going to talk about money, I'm going to put the money symbol here. Might be American dollars, might be Chinese yuan. And then what is R? R is rate. What is T? T is time period. All right, if it's exponential growth, we're going to use 1. If it's exponential decay, something depreciate, we're going to use 2. Okay, let's read it. This person is a He, that's not a he, that's a He, and his profession is a teacher, 老师. So He 老师 bought a Qing Dynasty bowl for the price $210,000 in 2004. So this gives us our initial price. The value of the bowl increase, exponential growth at a rate of 7% per year. So that's exponential growth. The rate is 7%. So that's our rate. Write a function rule that models the value of the bowl over the years. Since it's exponential growth, we're going to keep our exponential growth formula here. And then we're going to find the value of bowl after 20 years period. 20, this is our T. Okay, let's substitute all the values we just found in the word problem. And Y is, our initial price is, and the growth rate is 7%. Time period is 20. All right, let's do this. 7%, we're going to convert it to decimal. And we have Y equals times 1 plus 0.07 is 1.07 and to the 20th power. We're going to put this beautiful function in the calculator, okay? Oh, too much? Try again. Okay, that's good. Times, I'm going to use the little parenthesis and close it. I'm going to give it a 20th power. And let's see what we have. And it blocked the screen. You won't be able to see it, but I can see it. I'm going to write it down on the paper and erase this part. Let's see how much He 老师, teacher He, got over the 20 years, after 20 years period. Of course, I'm going to round this number to the cent, okay? That's how much He 老师get after this wonderful investment over 20-year period. That's it. Happy learning.